Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iOS 15.1 beta is out now. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 15.1 beta on iPhone. And also we will talk about a big update in iOS 15.1 beta. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, connect to Wi-Fi and launch Safari browser and search for beta profile and tap on first link. After loading the page, scroll and tap install profile. Now tap install anyways. Checking your browser. A pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in Cydia app if you want to install it. Tap close and go to settings. Profile downloaded. Now we have to tap on install in top right corner. Put iPhone passcode and tap again install in top right corner and tap install. If you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap on not now and tap done. Now force close the settings and launch settings again. Then tap general and tap software update. Here we go. iOS 15.1 developer beta is ready to download in your iOS device, even on iPhone 6. Now tap download and install to get iOS 15.1. Now we will talk about big update in iOS 15.1 is Share Play, YouTube, FaceTime, and you can play game together. Now download iOS 15.1 and enjoy the big update. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.